Hey guys, welcome back to Jump Vet channel. My name is Brett, and as always, I make motorcycle related videos and motorcycle vlogs. Today I'm gonna give you an American's perspective on the whole Million Dollar Bogan, Harley Davidson, G-Long Harley Davidson kind of fiasco that's going on. So let's roll in that intro and let's get talking about it. All right, so I'm an American citizen, and this thing with G-Long Harley Davidson, and Million Dollar Bogan is just absolutely ridiculous. I just don't understand where Harley Davidson is coming from and why they're putting so much pressure on these two individuals, Colin and Daniel, right? Sure, their banter is typical shop banter. You will find this at any mechanic shop, Harley Davidson dealership in the world. That's what happens. That's what happens when you start talking shop. So yes, I will say there are things that Daniel has said that I don't agree with. But you know what? I have the power to click past it or not let it bother me. I mean, where are we thinking Harley Davidson's going to go to? Are we really trying to steer towards millennials? So like people like this and this.
Slash his throat! Every Republican! Suck my balls! Say that one.
Or who you want to ride your motorcycles? Well, if you want that, you might as well just go ahead and fold up business right now. It's just, those are not the people you want riding your product anyway. I don't think so anyway, because my guess is, oh, it's gonna get like only 38 miles per gallon and wow, it's a lineal, ah. No, it's, I'm a millennial. I have a problem with millennials, all of them. They all, let's just face it this way, they bitch and moan way too much for me. I don't know how I came out the way I did, but you know, lucky me, right? As far as like what Daniel has done for Harley Davidson, I don't know if they really stepped back and appreciated what he's done. So he's taken Harley Davidson motorcycles, both rentals and his own, mind you, so it's not just him ruining other people's stuff. But he's gone on some very epic adventures, and the fact that he has done this with zero sponsorship from Harley Davidson is a testament. He's using his own money. Now granted, Daniel is a millionaire, self-made, nothing wrong with that, but he is giving them hours and hours and hours of free advertising. YouTube isn't charging Harley Davidson for all this footage that Daniel has uploaded. So because there's a little bit of a talking shop going on, you think you need to just completely shut down everything? I mean, where was the conversation that, you know, maybe led up to like, hey, you know, maybe tone it down a little bit or something like that? No, it's just like, be done with it or you're done, we're gonna cut you off. And I can respect Daniel, what he's doing as far as taking a step back. He doesn't want to hurt Colin or his business. So I understand the fact that he has taken a little bit of a moto vlogging reprieve at the current time. But come on, it really is uncalled for the way that Harley Davidson is treating Danny. I'm torn because this is a company I love and a moto vlogger I love, but at the same time, is it just Harley Davidson or is that just what the world has become? I know for me, anyway, as far as what my next motorcycle is going to be, for the long time I had all these Harley Davidsons in mind. I'm going to do street glide, road glide, electric glide, too many glides. I don't think so anymore. I'm bored with the brand. The brand has not done anything to excite me in the last 2 years. Take that back, they did with the Street Fighter Bronx, and then they discontinued that or canceled it until 2022 or what have you. There's just nothing in it for the company for me. I You know, I've bought a few shirts. I don't buy their shirts anymore. I don't buy their parts anymore. I'll rather go to JP Cycles or Dennis Kirk and buy directly from an independent rather than going and having to deal with Harley Davidson. Again, I love my Harley Davidson. I would not trade this bike for the world. I would not. This was always going to be in my collection. My wife's Sportster will probably be in our collection for a long time as well. But that's it. I mean, I don't foresee myself owning another Harley Davidson unless things change. So Danny, I doubt you watch this, but if you do, just so you know that America has your support as well. We love you, and as always, we'll catch you on the next dark side as this is the way. Chopper Fed out. See ya.